watchers and all of the people out there. Well, there's a problem with my iPhone 3G. You see, this is my iPhone. Well, it's broken. Well, here is the power button, and as you can see, it's plugged on iTunes. And when I plug it out, you see it won't even turn on. Or when I press both buttons, it won't turn on. See? So, yeah, that's my problem. And yeah, well, I need help on how to turn it back on. So please, can you give me advice? I would love to. So yeah, okay. So please just comment under and do a video answering to see what can I see, and what can I do with my iPhone. So yeah. Okay, so please. Okay, see if you can see it's a little broken. Okay. Sorry for all those noise. These are my parents and my grandma. So yeah. Well, I gotta go. Thank you. Bye.